Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Bushra Shahzad. It is continuity of previous lecture in which we discussed conversion of few amino acids to specialized products. Today we are going to discuss conversion of remaining amino acids to specialized products. This is last lecture of protein metabolism. Specialized product formed by tyrosine. Tyrosine includes neural cell convert tyrosine to epinephrine and norepinephrine. DOPA is formed by hydroxylation of tyrosine. Decarboxylation of DOPA forms dopamine by a paradoxal phosphate dependent enzyme DOPA decarboxylase. Melanin synthesized from tyrosine in melanocyte. Tyrosine is also a precursor of thyroid hormones which are triiodothyronine and thyroxine. Catecholamines biosynthesis. Epinephrine and norepinephrine and dopamine are biological active biogenic amines that are collectively termed catecholamine. Dopamine and norepinephrine are synthesized in the brain and function as neurotransmitter. Epinephrine are synthesized from norepinephrine in the adrenal medulla. Conversion of tyrosine to epinephrine and norepinephrine. Neural cells convert tyrosine to epinephrine and norepinephrine. Initially, tyrosine is hydroxylated to DOPA by tyrosine hydroxylase in tetrahydrobiopterin dependent reaction. Now DOPA is decarboxylated in paradoxal phosphate dependent reaction catalyzed by DOPA decarboxylase to form dopamine. Subsequent hydroxylation of dopamine catalyzed by dopamine beta oxidase then forms norepinephrine. This reaction requires copper and vitamin C. In the adrenal medulla, phenylethanolamine N-methyltransferase utilizes S-adenosylmethionine to methylate the primary amine of norepinephrine, forming epinephrine. Melanin production. Melanin is a pigment that occurs in several tissues, particularly the eye, hair, and skin. It is synthesized from tyrosine in melanocytes, which is a pigment forming cell of the epidermis. It functions to protect underlying cells from harmful effects of sunlight. A defect in melanin production results in oculocutaneous albinism, the most common type. This disease is due to copper-containing tyrosinase. Phosphoserine, phosphothreonine, and phosphotyrosine. The phosphorylation and dephosphorylation of specific seryl, threonyl, or tyrosyl residues of proteins regulate the activity of certain enzymes of lipid and carbohydrate metabolism and of proteins that participate in signal transduction cascades. Biosynthesis of creatine and creatinine, glycine, arginine and methionine. Its active form called SAM, S-adenosyl methionine, all participate in creatine biosynthesis. Glycine and guanidinium group of arginine forms guanidinoacetate in a reaction catalyzed by arginine glycine amidinotransferase. Synthesis of creatine is completed by the methylation of guanidinoacetate by S-adenosyl methionine. Reaction is being catalyzed by guanidinoacetate methyltransferase. Creatine is phosphorylated to creatine phosphate by creatine kinase. Phosphate group is donated by ATP. Creatinine is formed in muscle from creatine phosphate by irreversible non-enzymatic dehydration and loss of phosphate. Since the 24-hour urinary excretion of creatinine is proportionate to the muscle mass. Sarcosine N-methylglycine. The biosynthesis and catabolism of sarcosine, which is also called N-methylglycine, occur in mitochondria. Formation of sarcosine from dimethylglycine is catalyzed by flavoprotein dimethylglycine dehydrogenase, which requires reduced teryl pentaglutamate. Overall reaction showed that dimethylglycine, teryl pentaglutamate and FADH2 form sarcosine and N-formyl teryl pentaglutamate. Traces of sarcosine can also arise by methylation of glycine, a reaction catalyzed by glycine and methyltransferase. Overall reaction is shown that glycine and S-adenosyl methionine form sarcosine and S-adenosyl homocysteine. Catabolism of sarcosine to glycine catalyzed by flavoprotein sarcosine dehydrogenase also requires reduced teryl pentaglutamate. Overall reaction showing that sarcosine, FAD and reduced teryl pentaglutamate converted to glycine, N-formyl and N-formyl teryl pentaglutamate and FADH. The demethylation reactions that form and degrade sarcosine represent important sources of 1-carbon units. FADH2 is reoxidized via the electron transport chain. Metabolic role of non-alpha amino acids. Non-alpha amino acids present in tissues in a free form include beta-alanine, beta-aminobutyrate and GABA. Beta-alanine is also present in combined form in coenzyme A and in the beta-alanine alanyl dipeptides carnosine, N-serine and homocarnosine. Metabolic role of beta-alanine and beta-aminobutyrate. Metabolic role of beta-alanine and beta-aminoisobutyrate. Beta-alanine and beta-aminoisobutyrate are formed during catabolism of the pyrimidines, uracil and thiamine respectively. Traces of beta-alanine also result from the hydrolysis of beta-alanyl dipeptides by the enzyme carnosinase. Beta-aminobutyrate also arises. Beta-aminoisobutyrate also arises by transamination of methyl malonate semialdehyde, a catabolite of L-valine. The initial reaction of beta-alanine catabolism is transamination to malonate semialdehyde. Subsequent transfer of coenzyme A from succinyl-CoA forms malonyl-CoA semialdehyde, which is then oxidized to malonyl-CoA and decarboxylated to the amphibolic intermediate acetyl-CoA. Analogous reaction characterize the catabolism of beta-aminoisobutyrate. Transamination forms methyl malonate semialdehyde, which is converted to the amphibolic intermediate succinyl-CoA. Disorders of beta-alanine and beta-aminoisobutyrate metabolism arise from defect in enzymes of the pyrimidine catabolic pathway. Principal among these are disorders that results from a total or partial deficiency of dihydropyrimidine dehydrogenase. Metabolic role of beta-alanyl dipeptides. The beta-alanyl dipeptides carnosine and N-serine, which is N-methylcarnosine, activate myosin ATPase, chelates copper and enhances copper uptake. Beta-alanyl imidazole buffers the pH of an aerobically contracting skeletal muscle. Biosynthesis of carnosine is catalyzed by carnosine synthetase in a two-stage reaction that involves initial formation of an enzyme-bound acyl adenylate of beta-alanine and subsequent transfer of the beta-alanyl moiety to L-histidine. Hydrolysis of carnosine to beta-alanine and L-histidine is catalyzed by carnosinase. The heritable disorder carnosinase deficiency is characterized by carnosinuria. Homocarnosine present in human brain at higher level than carnosine is synthesized in brain tissue by carnosine synthetase. Serum carnosinase does not hydrolyze homocarnosine. Homocarnosinosis or rare genetic disorder is associated with progressive spastic paraplegia and mental retardation. Metabolism of gamma aminobutyrate. GABA functions in brain tissue as an inhibitory neurotransmitter by altering transmembrane potential differences. GABA is formed by decarboxylation of glutamate by L-glutamate decarboxylase. Transamination of GABA forms succinate semialdehyde, which can be reduced to gamma hydroxybutyrate to L-lactate dehydrogenase or be oxidized to succinate and hence via the citric acid cycle to carbon dioxide and water. A rare genetic disorder of GABA metabolism involves a defective GABA aminotransferase, an enzyme that participates in the catabolism. GABA subsequent to its postsynaptic release in brain tissue. Defects in succinic semialdehyde dehydrogenase are responsible for 4-hydroxybutyric aciduria, a rare metabolic disorder of GABA catabolism characterized by the presence of 4-hydroxybutyrate in urine, plasma, and cerebrospinal fluid. Sources of today's lecture are Harper Biochemistry and Lippincott Biochemistry. Thank you very much.